As we journey through life from the innocence of childhood, our minds are like blank canvases, filled with curiosity and wonder. Every experience, whether a joyful moment or a minor setback, adds to a growing understanding of the world. As we transition into our adulthood, our experiences become more complex and varied, and unawares we carry on. Life's challenges and hardships that test our resilience and shape our character also leave layers of residue in our minds. Like the leftover clay, these layers of emotional residue, or you can say dried up paint, can obscure our clarity and affect how we perceive new experiences. Just as layers of dried paints accumulate on a palette, obscuring the surface and making it difficult to see and mix new colors, so too can past experiences clutter our minds. While you can still mix fresh colors over the dried paints, it's hard to distinguish the new shades from the old. Like you can't think clearly if your mental vision is blurred by the past experiences. Eventually, you have to clean off the old layers, sometimes using sharp tools. No matter how tough, it's essential to clear away the remnants of past experiences from your mind with some tough love. This process might require significant effort and mindful practices such as meditation, therapy, journaling, or engaging in creative activities. Using creative outlet as means to process emotions and cleanse your mind offers significant therapeutic benefits. You regain clarity and space for new thoughts and plans. Your pathway to achieving your true desires become obstacle-free. When your vision is clear, you will realize that even past events you thought were a waste of time and hurtful had a purpose. You can use your experiences to form a new you. Just as dried paints can be creatively repurposed, past experiences, even the painful or challenging ones, don't have to be pointless. Every experience has something to teach us. A bit like what I'm sharing with you right now, I learned from cleaning this palette. So, by actively clearing your psychological layers and taking care of yourself, you gain a perspective that enriches your present and future. Your past has lessons and insights that can help you grow and create something beautiful and meaningful. So save the lessons and residue in a separate compartment and use your knowledge and wisdom for your future decisions. And be happy each day and enjoy the lightness of being. And now wait for a magic as an example and see how using the so called rubbish on your mind, you can find a meaning and make your world a teeny bit better. So, by making art from your life, you can learn the art of living that feels true to you. I hope you found this video inspirational. Thank you for watching and listening. Please do like and share. And if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon.